Successful bars don't become famous just because they serve great drinks. They offer a complete experience, and that starts with a strong and iconic brand. If you want your bar to stand out from the competition and be the #1 choice for potential customers when they're thinking about going out and enjoying themselves, then you absolutely need a clear and iconic logo that's easy for people to remember and quickly lets them know what kind of experience they can expect from your bar. Let's get started. So once you've picked out a template, you can start to edit it by going over to the left-hand side where we have the different text options. We have a bunch of text boxes, and you would edit these the same way you would in any text editor. So for example, I'm just going to choose this here and start deleting the text. And notice that the text is also being updated in real time in the preview. So that makes it very easy to edit, see what you like, and if you don't, simply change it. So let's see, I'm going to change this to Brewhouse Lab. To the left of each input box, we have a little check mark, and if we click on it, we can remove that line of text. And if we click on it again, we add that line of text back to the design. So it's very simple. Below, we have the font button. So if I just click on it, I get a drop down with all the different fonts that I can choose from. And to change the font, I would just click on a font. And there we go. It's updated this piece of text to be that font. To the right, we have the color picker. So if I click on it, I get a bunch of preset colors to choose from. Let me just choose one to show you. And it's changed the color for this line of text. I'm going to go back. And we also have more. So if I click on that button, we can pick any one of these colors. So basically any color you can imagine you can use. And you can also use the hex code for a color if you happen to have that right here. Then to set the color, you would simply click on choose. And there we go. So it's very simple. I'm going to go ahead and actually change this back to the original color. And I'm going to edit these other text boxes. Cool. So now I can go over to the right-hand side where I can choose the graphics and the colors. So I can click on this box here and choose the color for the main graphic. I think I'll leave it as it is. And we have a bunch of different options for the graphic. So let's see here. I think I'll use this one here. Next, we have the outer badge color and graphic. Now, we're not seeing that because it's currently set to no image, but we can change that by just choosing any one of these. And there we go. You can see the outer badge and change the color as well. So let's see. I think I'll try, let's see, this one here. All right. Next, I'm going to go down to the background color. I'll click on that. Currently, it's a yellow. And I'm going to choose this one here, which is a gray and white checkered pattern. And if I click on that, what it's going to do is make the background transparent. So I can save my image and use it on top of another image or use it on a t-shirt or a mug. And I'm not going to have a white square as part of the design. It's just going to be right here where the logo starts. So it's going to look very professional. So let me see. I'm going to change the color to a nice orange. Let me see. I'm just going to change it to a lighter shade. There we go. Perfect. So once I'm satisfied with my logo and I'm ready to download it, I simply go to the top section where we have the big blue download button, and I click on that. And we get a little window that lets us know the format and the resolution. So it's going to be a PNG, and it's going to be 4000 by 4000 pixels. Then I would simply click on purchase, and I would follow those steps. And there you have it. Placeit's bar logo makers are super easy to use and quickly let you design an amazing logo for your bar. It doesn't matter what type of bar you have, whether it's a sports bar, a craft beer bar, an old school style pub, or any other type of bar you can think of. Placeit's bar logo makers are ridiculously easy to use, and the results are spectacular. Once you have a great logo, you can use Placeit's social media image makers to promote your bar across social media. Promote happy hours, special events, specialty drinks, and just generally let them know that they can expect a great time if they drop by. Even though we're living in the digital age, there's still no better way to attract local foot traffic to your bar quite like flyers. Placeit's flyer maker templates are professionally designed, so all you have to do is add your text, choose the colors, and add an image. In minutes, you can have a custom flyer that's perfect to attract more local traffic, promote your events, and let them know about any specials or special events that you have planned. The final cornerstone for any successful bar is merchandising. This means taking your logo and identity and putting it on promotional items such as beer mugs and t-shirts, and then either selling those or giving them away to your most loyal customers. This is an easy way to create some interest and buzz around your brand and have those loyal customers feel like they're part of the inner circle. It's a win-win. For only $29 a month, you get unlimited access to all of Placeit's tools. Create your logo, unlimited social media images, flyers, and ads, and all the mockups you could ever want. Don't leave your bar success up to chance. Take control and give it professional branding and promotion with Placeit. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more videos and tutorials on how to take your bar to the next level with Placeit.